A super yacht that does not go unnoticed. It's sophisticated, it's elegant, it's iconic. It's Coral Ocean, a 73-meter super yacht built by the well-known and one of the leading shipyards, Lorsen. The exceptional design of Coral Ocean is by John Bannenberg, and just recently, this super yacht has been completely refitted, so you can see firsthand the attention and the care that has been put into each and every single detail.
This was one of the very first large yachts we built. And she was delivered in 1994, which is 28 years ago. John Bannenberg design with a very different interior. In those days it was all ethnic beach hut style. And when the current owner bought her, and after the first couple of weeks of use decided to modify and bring her up to speed, of course we've all been very nervous, because she's been rather iconic for that style of interior, but I really can only compliment the owner and his team what they have achieved. You walk on the board today and you think she's actually built a year or two ago. Look at features like the open side shell here that we have, which today is considered in or chic, and we've done it 28 years ago. And the whole atmosphere on the boat is very pleasant, very agreeable, and it did a great job, fantastic.
Now this here is the master bedroom, but before anything I want you to look up at the skylight and look around at this amazing view.
Quality is always important. When the client comes to us, he is prepared or she is prepared to invest a very large amount of money into an asset that only keeps its value when it has an inherent very high quality. And obviously, when we expect the client to pay the prices that we have to ask for, he has the right and he is expecting the best quality. So it's a match that we tried over the year to bring together, and quality is a very important theme. Actually, my great-grandfather in 1875, when he started our shipyard, he wrote a little sentence, and one of the things was, "For quality and performance, that shall be the motto of my products." So, you know, that's almost 150 years ago. He had pretty good foresight.
The area on the sun deck has been smartly used. They were able to create an open and flexible space. I'm really loving the surrounding glass. There's nothing blocking the view, and you can really appreciate all your surroundings. On the Sky Lounge, there's also a full-service bar, round dining table, which you can use anytime you like. There's also an observation area aft and the balcony. You have an interior and outdoor sound system, and check out this electric skylight roof. There's even a ceiling retractable 85-inch TV, as well as a convertible indoor sunbed with opening sunroof. I'm really loving this spa pool right here. I mean, check out this glass bottom. This is really how you can relax and lay in the sun with style.
Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. Design is good when it works. And for every ship or yacht, a different design makes it look good and makes it function, and gives everyone a good feeling. It's more about finding something that everybody has a good feeling about. I have 3 children and I have 4 grandchildren. Rest assured, my children are asking, so what are we doing to make yachts greener or more sustainable? And the owners are asking, it's not just a marketing ploy by doing a little bit here or putting little solar panels somewhere and use it to heat a cup of tea. It's a fundamental trend that has developed already some years back, where the owners really care for the environment. They accept that a yacht as such obviously takes energy to run and operate it, but they want to explore technologies to actually reduce that substantially. And the good thing with the owners is they're ready to pay for development, and they're ready to also accept risk. So now it's a question of risk sharing between the owner and the shipyard, and cost sharing. And I must say, we have very good owners that are very supportive in the quest to reduce the power consumption on the yachts. We will be looking very hard to reduce power consumption. We will be looking very hard at cleaning up exhaust fumes. We have, a couple of years ago, developed our own exhaust filtration system. And my great-grandfather built the first motorboat in the world in 1886. I'm not certain I can do it in 2026 to have the first yacht without a combustion engine, but I'm working on it.